Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Lexus. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable C transmission. This Lexus has less than 79,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.